Welcome to this video on the top 8 prescriptive maintenance tools for real-time monitoring and alerts. We'll be focusing on operational reliability assessment and alert intelligence in heavy process operations. The unforgiving cost of downtime highlights the need for actionable, real-time diagnostic guidance. Traditional tools only provide visibility, which is not enough to prevent outages. As the principle states, an alert that doesn't tell you what to do next is only half the job. Prescriptive maintenance relies on 5 core capability thresholds: continuous high-frequency data capture, AI diagnosis for pinpointing failure modes, prescriptions for ranked corrective tasks, edge logic for local data processing, and CMMS sync for converting alarms into work orders. This matrix offers a landscape overview of the top 5 prescriptive tools. We see platforms like Infinite Uptime PlantOS, Cognite, Nuvolo, Samsara, and Dynamox, each targeting different verticals with a distinct operational focus and CMMS integration level. Number 1 is Infinite Uptime PlantOS, a market leader for rotating assets. It uses proprietary high-frequency sensors for closed-loop diagnostics. This approach bypasses manual interpretation, giving floor technicians immediate, ranked action lists for asset maintenance. Cognite is best for aggregating multi-source industrial data, enabling sophisticated alerting algorithms. Nuvolo offers a connected workflow, acting as a bridge between condition indicators and operational actions to automatically generate work requests. Samsara focuses on centralized fleet IIoT, engineered for highly distributed assets with real-time geolocated telemetry. Dynamox offers a cost-effective, wireless sensor network specifically for rotating machinery, scaling up thousands of continuous tracking points. Seek provides advanced process analytics, plugging into historical databases to evaluate complex multivariable parameters over time. Cortic.ai focuses on intelligent edge AI, using an adaptable machine learning engine to integrate with high-velocity factory sensor networks. Litmus Industrial Edge, tool number 8, serves as a modern gateway to bridge OT and IT layers. It abstracts the complexity of automation protocols and normalizes telemetry to feed clean, real-time inputs to secondary predictive engines. The cost-to-action curve illustrates the financial impact of delayed intervention. Proactive prescriptive action follows a controlled cost curve. Delaying intervention past the critical point leads to an unplanned expense spike, potentially 3x to 5x higher. For a successful operational blueprint, first, target high criticality assets. Second, establish strict baselines by operating platforms for 30 days and calibrating AI. Finally, enforce standardized KPI audits to measure fault detection lead times and emergency labor hour reduction. This final slide lists the image sources used throughout this video.